welcome back to OZARKS Mountain Outdoors. Anyway, this is during the early afternoon. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. It is rifle season, has been rifle season for the past week. We came up here this morning, we didn't see any deer. Well, we did, but it was a whole bunch of does and small buck, so we didn't want to take any down. So we were looking for that big one. But anyway, me and my wife decided to go out hunting for squirrel. And this time of the year is rifle season, so we have to wear orange. And by wearing orange, if the squirrels see you, they from miles away, they just run off. So we just gotta try to sit in one spot and just take squirrel off as they goes. It'll be probably between 40 to 60 yard shots, and me and my wife happens to run into some oyster mushroom right here on my left, right here. These are oyster mushrooms. They're big, and typically they are good till between October all the way till some part of December, and we'll be harvesting them. And when we harvest them, I just like to cut below the stem because it'll grow back later in the future. So yeah, guys, me and my wife, we get harvest this, and let's see if we could get some squirrel during the afternoon, and later on this evening try to go back on the tree stand and see if we could get some deer. And we'll be here for 2 days, and let's see what happens. Okay, until then, I'll see you guys back in the woods. All right. All right, guys. My wife says she wanted to harvest these oyster mushrooms, so I'm giving her that opportunity. And man, they are big. They are good stir fry with squirrel. So just to give you guys a tip. And as always, here's my Impact. I'll be using the Aztec scope along with the side shot scope cam. And of course, my 22 Impact in 600 millimeter liner. And wow, look at that. That is, yeah, we got very lucky on this one right here, guys. And today the weather is kind of like overcasting. It rained all night last night, so yeah, there's a whole bunch of deer popped out in the fields, but they weren't shooters. So yep, we just leave them alone, and hopefully we will get some later this evening. And also, as everybody know, a deer hunter, this time of the year or month, it is the 22nd of November. So the rut season is basically over, except some very few, but the peak season, I believe it was last week. Wish me and my wife didn't make it because we had to do some other stuff. But anyway, all right, guys, this gonna be I don't want to bore you out, making videos, my wife picking oyster mushroom, but yep, like I mentioned it, we'll see you back in the woods. Ok, nhớ rồi nè, chờ cái tiếp phong dư, lúc nào giờ con nhớ tôi mà lưu tới tôi nào nữa, ok, chị giả sử gió nữa, mù gió, chỉ bỏ mà lưu, chị tại sao nói chị tí cho cổ mong là chịu mù thiện nào tôi, tới tối thiện nào nó chịu hơn thiện lấy, ý cho giấy này à, như cho tiền giấy vô nó, mong tên chế vô cái hai tên oyster mushroom nó này à thật sự nè thì yeah in đây là in ha để nó tiếc thì chia sẽ đi chả nè nếu tua nào đi chả mà đi thay rồi nên sai tiếc giờ bỏ mà lư nếu tua nó lỗi mà thay rồi nên sai tiếc nè đi nó nè mà xin xin này tao hay rồi ok alright.
Alright guys and gals, well this will be the first squirrel that we encounter. For some reason it took me 3 shots to take this squirrel down. The first 2 kill shot, it was blurry so I didn't put it up, but I just put in the last kill shot. Cho cái thi nè tụi nó chỉ cho tới tụi nãy bỏ tới khi mà của tôi bé bỏ đi á thì cũng mà muốn họ kill shot tụi bỏ thì bé đâu bé sai xí nè.
Alright guys, right after we pick up those oyster mushrooms, we shot this fox squirrel. Yep. The first shot went low. The second shot I missed. The third shot hit him right there. So that brings him down. It's a big, nice, beautiful fox squirrel. Nice and fat during this time of the year. This will go good with the oyster mushrooms. Đây cho cái tin này, cái tổ này, thất tụi nào không tự thử data trên giấy nè, để thất bỏ tổ trâu hoặc cá bắp chay, thì bỏ thiếu gì của tôi chỉ trâu á, thì bỏ tí bé gì mà tổ trâu còn nó lo cơ. So sẽ dễ dùng món nữa show trên giấy vòn lên đó. Alright guys, see if we can get some more, and let's see what happens. Well, folks, good evening. Well, we happened to shoot a few squirrel, but it was stationary because of the blaze orange vest that we have to wear during deer rifle season. And yep, right now we are hunting the evening for deer. So if we are successful, then I'll add on this video for the deer. But if not, guys, I guess I'll just see you guys on the next videos, and stay safe, okay? Right, giờ cái tin á, phong chỉ sợ đời. Bảo ta chỉ một tuần nào, tuần là ở bên tuần nào tia. Ta chỉ rậu tua sẽ chế. Cú dùng mốc kiểu sợ đó này sai xin à. Ta chỉ nói nhớ sẵn tông, ta tỏ rõ mà lư. Giá chọn tôi giá bẻ tuần nó. Giá tiền giờ tua tôi mà lư nó chỉ mà đi thay ở video. Chùa nó một đó, giá tiền chỉ tao nó chỉ mà xin chỉ đua lư lại video chia nè. Ok, chiều nó nè, nhớ trong này á. Alright guys, see ya. Alright guys, gals, nhớ trong này chờ phong gì. We got home this morning and I want to show you what we got. Nhỏ của tôi cho lo chế cho bắt tay nó sẽ nè, của nhà khe đó này để tôi nào đi chả. And guys, gals, these are the squirrel that we shot last night, or during the early afternoon anyway. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4 fox squirrel, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gray squirrel. And yeah, this is the biggest fox squirrel that we got. I'm gonna weight it. And all of these squirrels that you see is mainly headshots or part shots. And same goes with these. So majority of the squirrel, 90% of the squirrel, they're all headshot or part shots. And yeah, except this one, it was running, so I got it through the stomach. That's the one that when you saw on the kill shot, that long distance one. Yeah, this is probably about like 70 yards out or 80 yards at the most. It went down because I didn't hold enough for the wind, so it hit the body instead, and it went down on the video. It seems like it didn't hit him, but it did, so it fell down on the bottom of that tree. Alright, vậy cho cái tin á, tôi lấy blow tu nào không từ, chỉ tu là cho nè, nào không từ tu lo sắp rồi cho tụi nó, ít bữa cuối muốn lưu nên sai sẽ bị chấp pháo á, thì tới khi mà đi chào nó là, ta nói chuyện nào nó cũng tôi về phình đâu tốt hơn đâu xí nè, chỉ chơi tụi tê đi trâu chế, là trâu nó chế là như nhau trâu nữa, có trò xí. And well guys, you probably see this gun throughout all my hunts, and this is a very reliable gun that I got from FX. Those who have not seen FX Impact, or I guess majority of you guys have seen it then, but anyway, it's a very accurate gun. That's why most of the shot that I prefer taking is headshot and some humane kill. But anyway, let's put the gun away and let's weight the squirrel. Okay. Oh yeah. Cho cái tin á, hai cái mình nên bảo thế, ta nói chuyện video của ít sự tua nào nó giờ thì của sĩ đáp vào chuột nó sao? Chỉ đáp vào chuột nó như FX Impact cha hình nhỏ, như thế dùng bốc kho đâu nè, thì của những chỉ tua họ tự liên phình đâu, vậy tua tháo hồn đồ sự. Lý này bỏ nó nãy giờ, ok, thì tại sao nói gì, dùng mỗi tuần nào nữa lúc sẽ bị cho nè. Alright guys, okay, here's the biggest one, here's the weight, let me turn the weight on, okay, and it's in pounds and ounce, so let's kind of like, you know, put it into like a ball so that I can get the actual weight. So this is, let me get the actual weight on this. Let me see, how do I do this? Let him hold his tail. Okay, well, yeah, let's do this. And let's hold. All right. So it is 2 pounds. Exactly. So it's a 2 pound squirrel. So, yep, this is a 2 pound squirrel right here. And wow. This is the biggest one that I got. And the biggest gray squirrel, let's see.
Yeah. This can't be right. Let me see. This, it says 2 pound here. I'm sorry. It's an ounce. Let me hit it to pound. Oh. Okay, there you go. Sorry, guys. Yep. So the biggest, the gray squirrel is 1.5 pound. As you can see here again. Oh, I keep hitting the ounce. Okay. Yep, 1.5 pound for the biggest gray squirrel. And again, let's see what happened here. Yep, 2 pound for the biggest fox squirrel. So yeah, they're getting big, especially this time of the year. And like I mentioned on my on the first part of the video, we get to cook this with the oyster mushroom that we harvest during the hunt here. So yeah, guys, we didn't get any deer, or else I would put the video up. But other than that, then I'll see you on the next video. And stay healthy, okay, guys? Until then, see ya.